Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce mobile data usage on Netflix. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Netflix data usage depends on a lot on what you are watching, how long you are watching it, and most importantly, the quality of your internet connection. By default, Netflix will adjust the quality of your stream based on your internet connection. So, of course, the higher the quality, the higher the data usage. When this default is set, it's hard to estimate how much data Netflix actually uses. However, when switching from the default auto adjustment to one of the three tiers of streaming quality Netflix offers, in this video I will show you how to reduce your mobile data usage on Netflix. It's very simple. First you have to open your Netflix. You can open on your mobile apps or you can just open on your website on computer. Now you can go to setting, you can click on your profile, select on your profile that you want to reduce the data usage. Now you can click on account. From account, you can just scroll down, select on edit settings, you can scroll down, choose on playback settings, and here, so by default, your data usage per screen is set to auto. But if you want to reduce your data usage, so you can just choose on low. And also maybe you can just uh, turn off the autoplay. So maybe the Netflix will not autoplay next videos in a series on all devices and autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. So it will reduce your data usage on your account. Now, after that, you can just click on save. So now you have reduced your data usage on Netflix. It's very simple, right? So that is how to reduce data usage on Netflix account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.